Hi guys, my Gina kit came in for the month of January. It was, I forget the name, I'll show you in a minute. I ended up buying a tidy dowel too, which I used to have one of these years ago from Lawn Fawn, and they were blue. But Gina's are, they're usually black, but this time it's a gray. It's supposed to be new and improved. And you can wipe your stamps off after use with these. And then when you're done, after a while, you can just put them in the wash. Now, I am a fanatic with my stamps. So as soon as I'm done with them, I put them under warm to hot water with a toothbrush and Dawn dish liquid, and I scrub the hell out of them. But you can use these. But now the only way I would use these is sometimes when I'm stamping an image. Sometimes if I'm doing it, let's say in orange, and let's say say I'm doing flowers, and I have one in orange, one in red, and let's say I want to do one in blue. Well, instead of me scrubbing them like crazy just for that, that's when I would use this tidy towel. So you just go right over the stamp. They last. They're not going to tear. They're lint free, so that's good too. And you just go right over. It makes a little squeak sound, like and it takes the ink right off. So for me, this is what I would use it for. And then you just store it in a little container, just a little plastic container like this. And when it dries out, it's going to get hard. So when you need to use it, all you do is put it under water and just squeeze it out, and then it's good to use the next time you need it. So that's what I'm going to use it for. Now, some people take these and that's all they clean their stamps with, is they just run their stamps with this, and that's fine. And there's nothing wrong with that. It's just I have issues, so I have to use the toothbrush. But, here's another way to clean your stamps. And so the January kit was the Lovely Notes. Here it is. And it comes with all these things you see here. So I'll show you. First it came with the floral heart die. And you know what? I want to laugh. I don't think it's in here. Oh no. It's here. It's here. You know what I think happened? Is there a little rip in here? Yeah, I think it fell out. It's fine. It's here. Excuse me. It's right here. So this will be really cute cut out. And I will show you that. This also came out with, you got the love in 3 ways. Love you, and then you got the script. The reason why I love this so much is, if you want to cut out the word love, and then you want to put it straight on your card, or whatever you're using it for, put the plate down on top of your card and fill these back in the plate, and then just pull that plate off, so they'll be perfectly spaced, straight. You don't have to worry about it. And it's the same thing with the U. And then you can use the plate cutout thing for another project. So they are in here. I can feel them. And we got dies to go with the stamp sets. So I will show you the stamp sets. And our kits are $59.95, and you're getting like $120 deal, because when they break these sets up after the month, if you want to buy these things separately, you spend way more than $59.95. So this is the Lovely Notes. And I thought that this would be cute to put little hearts on it and things to make Valentine cards. I like the script on this. You light up my life. Sending handmade hug. You make me happy. Hey, Tweety, you're cool beans. Life is better with you. Let's hang out soon. Sending a happy hello. She also has the foils that go with it. But I didn't buy those because she did videos on the foiling and that was really pretty, but I'm not into it. What's the tea? So these are cute. And then this is what I'm excited about, these flowers. So I'm excited about doing this one in like a gold or silver. I'll emboss it. So I'll stamp these, like you stamp this in the lighter color, and then the medium color, and then the darker color goes here. But I'm going to do gold or silver, so it's really going to look nice. And then for the little baby flower, you have that, and then these are the greens for the leaves. So that's the outline, and then that's the leaves. And then she showed a video, Gina showed a video doing it where you have the die for this. So it's right here, this little flower here. This is the die, and she said what you should do is do the flower and everything, then cut out the die and then add the stem. Which are right here. Add the stem then, because if you put the stem all together and then you go to die cut it, your stem might not be as straight as you need it, well, as this is. So that's a very nice tip from Gina, because yeah, can you imagine that? And the dies are here, and they always come on one of these plates, so you can stick them right on here. And we also got this stencil, which is really pretty. So I'll show you that too. I'll make a video with that. And just here's all the dies and everything for this set. So that's it. And I wanted to show you. I think Valentine's Day, Damien and I told him we can make Valentine's Day cards for each other. And I want to do a video. I can't go live because last I knew you needed 1,000 subscribers, but now I think you might only need 500. I'm not sure, but I don't think I can do lives yet. I'll check on that. But I figured we could do a Valentine's Day card together and make a video on it. So, see, this is the layering it shows you. So that was her card kit for the month, and I got it. I don't get them every month because sometimes I don't like them. Like the heart, for instance. I was a little disappointed with this heart because I wish it was more defined. In my taste, I would like it a little bit more defined than that. But then I kept thinking about it, and I was like, I don't know. I want that set, and like, cause I'm not too crazy about the birds here and this light bulb. I'm not crazy about that, but I liked the other thing. Like, I loved the font, and I'm really picky with fonts. I loved the font, and I love the font on here, and I just love how that flower came. I can't wait to emboss that. So we'll see the pretty things I make for it. And this just means these are all the dies that come. Anytime you see like that, that's what that means. That's just the dies. So we'll see how it comes out. So thanks for watching. Happy crafting, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.